Let's create a black hole. Set up the command blocks like this. A1 clears all existing armor stands before a splash potion hits the ground. A2 summons an armor stand at the location where a splash potion hits the ground. A3 deletes the splash potion immediately after the armor stand is summoned. B1 adds a target tag to mobs within a 0.1220 block radius of the armor stand. B2 teleports the tagged mobs in a spiraling motion toward the armor stand. B3 kills tagged mobs within 2 blocks, simulating them being swallowed by the black hole. C1 makes the armor stand invisible. C2 displays a magical particle effect at the armor stand's location. Once all the blocks are set, throw a splash potion.